Are you done? You make up your hands. You are done. Are you done? Let's have group 1 or group 2 first. Present your role play. So group 1, let us listen to them. Watch them.
Okay, class. Good afternoon. Sit down. Get on the sheet of paper. Abby, this is our long test for the midterm period. Test 1, 1 to 40. Okay. 1 to 8. List down the elements according to its hardness or softness with the corresponding formula. Okay, no copying, no cheating. I can see you from here. Anyone I can see cheating or copying from the other, I will deduct 20 points. Okay, done. Test 2. Enumerate all metamorphic elements. Those are 20 elements. Okay, Miss Gonzalez, I am warning you. Because of Miss Camila and Miss Arroyo. Next one, Miss Garachito. Okay, distance.
So very good. Let's give a hand of applause for them. That's a very good presentation. Group 1. Another, group 2. Go on with your presentation. Group 2, please. Watch them. for that very good presentation. So let's give them a round of applause. So thank you for your good performance. So it seems that you really understand the meaning of the poem. So to be more sure of that, let me first give you some question and you will answer this into an essay form. So this is just two question. So I really appreciate what you did. It's a very good presentation. So to make sure that you really understand the poem, you have to answer this in an essay form. So in 5 minutes. So pass your paper. So class, so is all the papers are here now? Yes. So it seems that we're all done. So tomorrow your assignment class will be, you are going to make an article in which you are about how could you make a difference as an individual. Did you understand your assignment? Yes. Article. What is that? What is your assignment again?